Hey you guys, how's it going? So as I'm, going through my authorpreneurship series on teaching all things about becoming an author, I thought about, some people get intimidated about, how many pages does it have to be? What do I have to have a professional book cover or a professional editor and all that kind of stuff. So this, what you see right here, this is actually a 5-page little ebook that I created about a year ago or so. So this is the original one, okay? Now I'm just showing you how simple, okay, this was for a teen entrepreneur workshop that I did. It was kind of like a Shark Tank style workshop for the kids, and I wanted to have something for them so they can write down some of the things that they were thinking about with their business. And so I made this quick and split, like in a weekend, just for that event. But then after I had such good success and feedback with it, I decided, you know what, I'm going to upload this to Amazon and, just have a little ebook. Now this is 5 pages, okay? 5 pages. Does not have to be 100 pages, okay? So I uploaded this. This originally was a 5-page ebook on Amazon, okay? Then after a few months or so, I was like, wow, this seems like a good, turning point for me to start doing some other books for kids. I mean, I'm an educator, so I know there's a lot of kids, teenagers who want to have their own business. So what I did was, after a few months, I added some pages, okay? So I took the original idea of this little 5-page ebook, actually started as a workbook just for that event, and turned it into a paperback book, okay? So you can get an ebook or a paperback book, but what I did was I added to it, okay? So I just decided to put in some more information, keywords, vocabulary. Of course, as an educator, I want to make sure I have, plenty of academic words and things like that. That's all I did. I added some more pages, turned it into a paperback book, okay? Then I was like, well, this is more cutesy, it has a cute little fun pictures, or is that, it's more like kid friendly. But I was like, okay, there are some teens who might think, well, that's too cutesy. So then I took it to the next level and created a teen entrepreneur book, okay? Same concept, same idea. As you see, the book covers geared towards, older kids. I took all the cutesy pictures out of it and put more information, because these, of course, they can understand and do more. So I made it more teen friendly, okay? Took all the cutesy stuff out. Still have some keywords and things that they needed to, but it's just the same concept, but I just, made it age appropriate for the teen group, okay? So that being said, or I'm saying all this to say, I took one idea and split it into 2 separate books, okay? So again, that was probably created in a weekend, okay? Something to think about. Does not have to take months, years to create a book, okay? So if you're interested in taking my online class, Learn to Create, Self-Publish, and Sell a Book on ebook, feel free to look at my bio, click in my link tree. You'll see the course listed there on my side hustle .teachable.com, and enroll in the course. Let me show you step by step what I did to create these books. All right? That's all. See you guys in the next one. Bye.